how to make a first order from Alibaba and to get exactly what you ordered at the cheapest price possible. Stick to the end to watch the bonus tip. First, you need to understand that you will have a language barrier. Even if the person on the other side can speak English, it can be not good enough. So, don't overcomplicate your emails, messages, and go directly to the topic. What product, what quantities, and what requirements you have. And you could put it all in a small tag pack, design, draft, blueprint. It will save a lot of your time. Second thing you need to know. On Alibaba, you mostly will meet three different types of suppliers. First, trading companies, wholesale companies, and manufacturers. Depending on the quantity you can work with, you can go to a trading company. If you need like 1 to 50 pieces, you can go to a wholesale company if you need 50 to 100 pieces. And you can go to a direct manufacturer if you are ready to make the business big and go with over 1,000, 500,000 pieces with customization, change the design, construction, and any other details. You need a direct manufacturer. Third thing you need to know. After establishing contact with the vendor, you need to ask him, what is the minimum ordered quantity they are ready to sell or produce? What will be the price? And what will be the price if you order more than that? The bigger your order is, the cheaper you can get it. As well as for the logistics and delivery costs, it will be cheaper for a bigger quantity order. Number 4. Next best thing, you can ask for sample to make sure that all the details that you discussed before are the same on the real product. At this stage, it could be critical. The delivery time for a sample can be 7 to 14, maybe more days. It's very handy to have someone on the ground to receive it fast, check everything, and confirm on your behalf. My name is Leon, I am your trustful sourcing agent in China. Searching for a supplier, negotiating the price, establishing your production here. That's what we do. So if you have any inquiries, you can send it to the email in the description. Nevertheless, the sample would cost you additional money, mostly more expensive than the production price. They have a sample fee. But it's always worth it because suppliers are ready to deduct this amount from your order after you place it. And number 5, one of the most important things, what payment terms you choose. The most common payment terms are 50-50 or 30-70, which means the first part you pay before the start of the production, and the second part, 50 or 70%, you pay after everything is done and ready for ship. To make sure that all your products are made 100% according to your requirements and don't have any problems, it's also very helpful to have someone you trust here to go to the vendor and to visit them during the production and after everything is finished to make sure everything is okay and to make a final quality control. Before you pay the second part, you will have two options. First, work via Alibaba, which could be more safe because Alibaba keeps your money inside the platform until you confirm that everything is alright and you receive the product, and only after that, supplier will receive money from Alibaba. Second option is to go outside of the platform and work directly with the manufacturer. Sometimes they are ready to give you a better price, better conditions for your order if you go outside of the platform because they need to pay the commission, some fees for using the Alibaba, but if you work directly, it could be cheaper. But you need to be careful and make sure that you work with a reliable supplier. You need to make sure all the details are fixed in the contract. You have a confirmation sample which you can rely on when you make the production plan. And the bonus tip, if you want a cheaper price than Alibaba, you can go to 1688.com. This is almost the same as Alibaba, owned by the same company, but it is made for a local market, for local customers, with prices for local people. So you can go there and find suppliers which are not listed on Alibaba and can give you a very good quality with a cheaper price. Thank you for watching and see you.